children, 10th class mathematics, class number 3. We are already started in class number 1 and 2. The chapter name is paper number 1. Chapter name is coordinate geometry. Exercise 7.1. Exercise 7.1. In second class we are completed up to 4th problem. 7.1 exercise up to 4th problem we are completed. Today we are going to start problem number 5. Sir, observe the problem number 5 in the textbook. In a classroom, 4 friends are seated at the points A, B, C and D as shown in the figure. Jeraina and Funny walk into the class and after observing for a few minutes, Jeraina asks Funny, "Don't you notice that ABCD is a square?" Funny disagree. Using distance formula, who is correct? Why? Observe the diagram. Observe the diagram. Here is point A, here is the point B, here is the point C and here is the point D. The coordinates are not given. Okay, we have to find with the help of this graph. Okay, observe the graph. The parallel line is x-axis and vertical line is y-axis. Based on this, point A value is here 1, 2, 3. 3 comma 1, 2, 3. 3 comma this is 6. 3 comma 4. This is 4. 3 comma 4 is point A and is point B. Here observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 comma 7. In the same manner point C. Here is the 9. 9 comma here is 4 and D. It is 6 comma D. Here is the D. 6 comma 1. The V value is 6 comma 1. Using distance formula, first to prove ABCD is a square. Using distance formula, first we have to prove all the sides are equal. In a square, all the sides are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. In first phase, we are proving AB is equal BC is equal CD is equal DA. Okay, if we prove AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, if all the sides are equal, we can say that the diagram is a square. But in rhombus also all the sides are equal. 4 sides are equally in rhombus also. That's why, and we have to prove the diagonals are also equal. Diagonal AC is a diagonal and BD is a diagonal, and we have to prove AC is equal BD. If we prove AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA and diagonals are also equal, AC is equal to BD, then we can say that the given ABCD is a square. Okay, this is the way to solve the problem. Now, first we have to find the values of AB, BC, CD, DA, AC and BD. All the distances should be measured with the help of distance formula. Once again, I am writing the distance formula is under root distance between any 2 points, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. All the distances should be measured with the help of this formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. With the help of this formula, we are going to find all the distances. Okay? First, we are finding distance between AB. A 3 comma 4, B 6 comma 7. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Okay, x2 means 6, x2 minus x1. x1 means 3. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 means 7 minus y1 means 4 whole square. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 whole square. 7 minus 4 is also 3. 3 square, that is equal. 3 square means 3 into 3 9 plus 3 square means 3 into 3 is equal to 9. This is distance between AB. 9 plus 9 18. Okay, then we can write is 19 as 9 into 2. Okay, if you take 9, root 9 in outside, the value of root 9 is 3. We can write that 3 root 2. The value of AB is equal to 3 root 2 units. In the same manner, we have to find BC and CD and DA. Then after, you have to find AC and BD. Using this formula, you can get all the values are equal. Then you can prove that the given points are forming a square. This is problem number 5. Remaining problem you have to complete at your home. Then we are going to solve next problem. Problem number 6. Show that the following points form an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle. First you have to draw a equilateral triangle on your textbook notes. Problem number 6. First you have to draw a triangle, equilateral triangle. Show that the following points form an equilateral triangle. A, capital A, small a comma 0. Then B, minus a comma 0. C, 0 comma A root 3. If you want to prove the given triangle is a equilateral triangle, we have to prove all the sides values are equal. All the sides are equal, then the triangle is said to be an equilateral triangle. First you have to prove AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. If you prove AB is equal to BC is equal to CA, then all the sides are equal in this triangle. If all the sides are equal in a triangle, the triangle is said to be an equilateral triangle. Using distance formula, first find distance between AB. Formula is distance between 2 points. The formula is AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, the points A, small a comma 0, B, minus a comma 0. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. The formula is x2 minus x1 under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. You have to substitute these values in this formula. x2 means here minus a, Minus x1 means minus a whole square plus y2 means here y2 0 minus y2 minus y1 means y1 is also 0. Here minus a, some students write minus cancel, it is 0. It is not, the signs are same signs, minus symbol, that's why minus a, that is minus 2a whole square. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 0 square is also a 0. Okay, then minus 2 whole square is equal to under root 4 a square, or we can simply cut it. Okay, this is value 0, you need not to write this value. Square and root are cut. Minus into minus plus. Okay, we can write that as a 2a. Okay, right, minus into minus plus, and square and root are cancelled, that value is 2a. We have to find remaining values also. I have find AB, I have to find BC, CA, all the values are equal, then we can say that this is a isosceles, not isosceles, equilateral triangle. Now we are going to solve next problem. Seventh problem. Problem number 7. Prove that the points minus 7 comma minus 3, 5 comma 10, 15 comma 8 and 3 comma minus 5 taken in order are the corners of a parallelogram. Okay, right. Now we are taking in order means we are taking A, B, not C, D. A, B, C, D. This is the order. If you take A, B, C, D continuously, you are taking the A, B, C, D's are in continue. The values are given. Prove that points 7 minus 7 comma minus 3. We are taking A as minus 7 comma minus 3. Next point 5 comma 10. We are taking B as 5 comma 10. Then 15 comma 8 C. 15 comma 8. Then D 3 comma minus 5. 3 comma minus 5. Okay, these are 4 points. Take in order the corners of a parallelogram. We have to prove the corners of a parallelogram. Okay, to prove its corner given points are forming a parallelogram, we have to prove opposite sides are equal. Opposite side means AB is equal CD and AD is equal BC, and diagonals are not equal. Okay, AC is not equal BD. This is we have to prove. First we have to prove AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC and AC is not equal to BD using distance formula. First we have to find the distance between AB. Distance between 2 points AB. First we have to write the value, the coordinates of point A and B. AB, A minus 7 comma minus 3, B 5 comma 10. This is x1, y1, this x2, y2. Distance between 2 points AB is equal under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 means 5 minus x1 means minus of minus 7 whole square plus y2 means here y2 10 minus y1 means minus of minus 3 whole square, that is equal to 5 minus of minus plus 7, 5 plus 7 whole square plus minus of minus plus 10 plus 3 whole square, that is 5 plus 7 12 whole square plus 10 plus 3 13 whole square, that is equal 12 whole square means 144 plus 13 whole square is equal, means 169. If you add these two, 9 plus 3 13 1, 6 plus 4 10 1 11, 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3, this is 313. Okay, the value is 313. We have to find remaining values and we have to prove this is a parallelogram. This is the way to solve the problems. Okay, this is problem number 7. Next, problem number 7. Show that points minus 4 comma minus 7, minus 1 comma 2, 8 comma 5 and 5 comma minus 4 taken in order are the vertices of a rhombus and find area. This is the 8th problem. Okay, we are taking it as a rhombus. The given points are, this is 8th problem. The point A, minus 4 comma minus 7. B, minus 1 comma 2. C, 8 comma 5. D, 5 comma minus 4. Okay, show that points are taken in order the vertices of a rhombus. First we have to prove this is a rhombus. Okay, then find the area. Here the hint is area of the rhombus is 1 by 2 into product of its diagonals. Diagonals means AC is a diagonal and BD is a diagonal. To solve this problem, first have to prove the distances are equal. The distances are equal. In a rhombus, all the sides are equal. In a rhombus, all the sides are equal. To prove all the sides are equal, you have to prove AB is equal BC is equal CD is equal DA. If you prove AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, all the sides are equal. In a rhombus, all the sides are equal, and also in a square, all the sides are equal. But in a square, the diagonals are equal, but in a rhombus, diagonals are not equal. Then, in second part, we have to prove the diagonals AC is not equal to BD. This is main thing. In first phase, we are proving all the sides are equal. In second phase, we are proving diagonals are not equal, and in third phase in this problem we have to find the area of the rhombus. Area of the rhombus is equal 1 by 2 into diagonals means first diagonal is AC and second diagonal is BD. Okay, formula is 1 by 2 area of rhombus, 1 by 2 into D1 into D2. D1 means first diagonal AC, D2 means second diagonal BD. Okay, this is the way to solve this problem. This problem is solved in 3 stages. In first stage we have to prove all the sides are equal. In second phase we have to prove diagonals are not equal. In third phase we have to find the area of the rhombus by using diagonal distances. Okay, this is the way to solve the problem. Now in first phase we are going to find the distance between point A and B. Point A and B. Point A -4 comma -7. Point B -1 comma 2. This is x1 y1 x2 y2. The distance between 2 points AB is equal under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 means here -1, minus x1 means minus of -4 whole square plus y2 means 2 minus y1 means -7, minus of -7 whole square -1 minus of -4 plus 4 whole square plus 2 minus of -7 plus 7 2 plus 7 whole square plus 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 whole square. 2 plus 1 9, 2 plus 7 9 whole square. AB is equal 3 square means 9 plus 9 square means 81, that is equal under root 90 units. Okay, this is distance between AB, and you have to find the distance between BC and CD and DA. Then you have to prove AC is not equal to BD and use the rhombus formula 1 by 2 AC into BD and find the area of the rhombus. This is the way to solve this problem. 8th problem is completed. The remaining problem you have to solve at your home. Okay.